Hey, I am Navneet Singh and this is an introduction video for nuMROBO. So let's start. First of all, what is nuMROBO? nuMROBO stands for nuMectro Technologies Modular Robot. It is a complete robotics platform designed and developed by nuMectro technology. nuMROBO is not just a hardware platform. It is a combination of hardware platform, software platform and training platform. Now hardware platform consists of base chassis, motors, Arduino and Arduino shield, various sensor modules and various other add-ons. Software platform comprises of software library using which you can program your robot and various example codes which will make it easier for you to understand the basic concepts of nuMROBO programming. The training platform is a combination of various tutorial videos which are available on our website and YouTube and workshops which we keep on organizing from time to time. You just need to register for these workshops on nuMectro Technologies websites and then we will keep on sending you the invitation for these workshops whenever they are organized. These workshops are totally online workshops. Now the question arises, for whom this platform is suitable? This platform is for all robotics enthusiasts. It is suitable for college students and also suitable for school students who are interested in robotics. You can even create your college or school project using this platform. The basic types of robots that can be created using nuMROBO platform are Bluetooth control robot, obstacle avoidance robot and line follower robot. These are just three basic types of robots which we will use to make you understand the hardware and software aspects of nuMROBO platform. nuMROBO is not limited only to these three types. You can use your own imagination and create a robot which performs a completely different task as per your requirement. You can combine two different sensor modules and modify the program in order to perform a completely different task as per the requirement. With this, our introduction to nuMROBO platform is completed. The links for various other tutorial videos on nuMROBO like hardware assembly and programming tutorial are given in the description. Don't forget to check them. Thank you.